Most people visit Italy and never make it to Puglia, and that's a huge mistake. This region has some of the best food in Italy, and today we're showing you exactly where to go, including the oldest city in the whole country used as movie sets, and all the best food so you don't miss out on the trip of a lifetime. Oh my gosh, there's so much rum. Our road trip begins on a hidden gem that you won't find on many guides, CASAMASSIMA, Italy's blue city. Well, you only live once, so instead of going savory to sweet for breakfast, we're going sweet to savory because you're on vacation.
We have like 5 different things.
Caleb went crazy. Pistachio something.
It looked good.
Want to feed it to me? We're gonna take a thing.
And you don't want paper?
No.
Oh
Wow,
yeah.
those are really good.
There's so many layers here.
There's like a top, a pistachio, and then kind of like a cream. And then like that pistachio cream from inside the croissant with a shortbread crust.
That's a lot.
It's next level. That's rich,
But
but
that is so good.
that's good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Very
That's
good.
our new saying after Montenegro.
That's what I say there.
Rum baba? It smells like rum.
It's just cake soaked in rum. Is it really rummy? Oh my gosh, there's so much rum. Oh my gosh. I feel like I just took a shot. So the legend goes that back in the day, the Lord of CASAMASSIMA, there was a plague going around and he didn't want his city to be infected. So he prayed to the Madonna to protect them, and then she did. And so in honor of her, he painted part of the city with quicklime and the blue color of her cloak. And it looks so stunning now. It is cute, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute.
Let's go see cute.
Look how cute it is. Isn't it cute? Everything's cute. Since CASAMASSIMA is only 20 minutes from Bari, you can still get the super traditional street food, the Barese focaccia. This is different than other focaccias in Italy because they use semolina flour, which gives it that yellow color. They bake the focaccia in really well-used metal pans, so it gets that really dark crust that's super crispy. And Puglia is also producing about 40% of Italy's olive oil, so there's a lot of olive oil going on. They use it on the bottom, in the dough, and on top. Pair it with their amazing fresh tomatoes and olives, and you got a perfect savory on-the-go snack or breakfast. It's crispy, light, little bit of herbs on top, and that little tangy umami-ness from the olives. So good. I'm a fan. That's delicious. Most people skip CASAMASSIMA, but don't let that be you. If you're looking for the authentic, real Italy like we were, it's an unmissable stop, even if it's just to snack and stroll for the morning. Welcome to Matera, Italy's oldest city and easily one of its most beautiful. Down, down, baby, down to the old town. With ancient cave dwellings carved right into the cliffs, walking through Matera feels like stepping into a movie set, and you are. This place has been the backdrop for everything from historical dramas to James Bond. So if you've ever wanted your own 007 moment, this is the place. We're in the oldest city in Italy, Matera, so of course we have to start strong with an Aperol Spritz. As much as we love the cinematic views, we're here for something better, the food. So technically, Matera isn't in Puglia, so it's not part of a Puglia road trip, but it is on the border of Puglia and Basilicata, so you can still find a lot of Pugliese food here, which is what we're trying today for lunch. We have a puccia, which is like a very traditional street food in Salento, which is the south part of Puglia. The bread is really thin and crispy, and it has no crumb, almost like a pita. They say it's kind of like the pita of Puglia. And just like our Barese flatbread, it is made of semolina flour, so it's light, it's got that yellow flour, yellow color, not yellow flour. And we got some really simple fillings inside. I've got prosciutto, arugula, cheese, and a little bit of artichoke for some veg. Crunchy. It's like a crouton with meat, and I'm into it. The apartment we're staying in is right in the historic downtown. It's a super old apartment and it's gorgeous and spacious, but the best thing about it is this view.
Cheers with our plastic.
Well, this is a view to wake up to, worth every, not so many pennies actually. Welcome to ALBEROBELLO, Puglia. ALBEROBELLO is definitely on the beaten track, but we were told seeing it is unmissable, and our research led us to Lira, which some say is the best focaccia they've ever had. Well, lunch might blow away, but let's hope. So Lira has these just really simple focaccia. We got burrata, pistachio, mortadella, tomato bread filled with ham. Simple, delicious, eaten on the side of the road among an adorable truly. Perfect for your road trip. The bread is so soft, the tomatoes are so fresh, and the ham has that little saltiness. 10 out of 10. While we thought ALBEROBELLO felt a little too touristy, you should plan to spend a morning to stroll, see the truly, and get some of the softest focaccia. Lira was so simple and so fresh. On your way from ALBEROBELLO to Seglo Messapica, which is where we're staying tonight, you have to stop in Liquoratondo because they have a famous and rare white wine called Liquoratondo DOC. You gotta try it. So this is the Liquoratondo DLC, the protected white wine from the region. They sell it as dry, and it is dry, but also really fruity and really crisp. So we're trying two different variations. One that is cold from the fridge, and one that's right from the barrel and it's room temperature. Cold has just a very light sweetness. This one almost reminds me of like an orange Chardonnay. It's got a lot of butteriness, oakiness, and honestly they taste completely different. I'm gonna throw it in the air, catch it.
No way.
Try again. So that was some of the best wine that we've literally ever had, and now it's on to the next foodie experience. Okay, we are so excited to stay at Masseria Lo Giazzo because it is so beautiful. This is a farm stay in the middle of the Puglian countryside, and we get to stay in a Trullo. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, so cool.
This was the kitchen where they were making the cheese.
Oh, okay.
And so here they had the fire. See the chimney?
That is the cutest little bathroom. So the bed's up there.
Yeah, nest.
Nest, yep. This is Cheia Messapica, or as I was calling it, Segli Messapica, and I was quickly told that's the American way. It's wrong, don't say that. It's one of the most underrated little towns in Puglia and one of the capitals of Apulian cuisine. Another thing that makes CASAMASSIMA a hidden gem is its old town. Our Truly host told us it's the most authentic in the whole region of Puglia. We met Giuseppe himself at Osteria La Giuseppe, a trattoria recommended by both Google and a few locals we met. He recommended the house special, antipasti, and it came with a lot.
Scamozza.
Oh, yum.
Cheese. Omelette with zucchini and carrot.
Yum.
Puree of fava beans and chicory.
Oh, very traditional.
Zucchini and sweet sour. Aubergine, onions, mozzarella and fresh ricotta, and carpaccio of veal.
Why does Italy even make vegetables better? This apparently is a little veggie omelet.
That looks so good.
Puglia is home to cheese, and that cheese is good. When you're in Puglia, you have to try ortiette, as they say in Italy, which is the little, I'm picking up with my hands like a barbarian, little ear-shaped pasta. We got it super traditional with tomato sauce, and apparently there's a little bit of meat in there. Made with love by Giuseppe. It's so simple. The shape of the ear really it's like a little hug for the sauce. Tomatoey, a little bit of herbs in there. Soft pasta al dente. And then we got the house dish here, which is Giuseppe's specialty and very unique to the region. Never had it before, a little nervous. We got some donkey with onion sauce. It's like lamb meets beef. A little bit gamey, really soft, really tender. And that caramelized onion adds that little bit of sweetness to the gamey meat. Really good. This restaurant is incredibly trusting because they just came over and put bottles of limoncello and amaro on our table and we're like, have fun. Plus we got some CASAMASSIMA traditional biscuits, which are almond with cherry filling. Really soft, very almondy, little sweetness and sweet and tart from the cherry. It's a lot cheerier than I thought it was going to be. Very tasty. How much is too much limoncello? The amount does not exist. Have you ever had those lemon jelly beans at Easter? It's like that, but for adults. For some amaro.
Because there's gonna be none for tomorrow. It rhymes. What is amaro? I have no idea, but I'm gonna try it.
It's an aperitif.
It's gonna help me digest all this food.
So you better drink the whole bottle.
Not a bad idea.
So good. Wow, your reaction is so good.
It's a little bitter. I feel my digestion happening.
Good night. We haven't tried Puglia's most famous pasta dish or visited its most stunning beach towns yet, and that's where things get even better. So click the screen to watch part 2 now.